I'd like you all to imagine that you'll have come home after a long day of work and you finally got some time to yourself. Suddenly, one of your family members comes up to you and asks you a question that immediately sets you off. Because they knew they asked you that one question that would send everyone else in the house spiraling forever to answer. What do you want to order for dinner? We're riddled by decisions every day, and they're not always easy to make. And for some, decision making can be really, really hard. I happen to be part of that some. When faced with a problem, I overthink every bit of detail, and if I do come to a conclusion, I usually end up changing my mind after a few days, or a few hours, or even a few minutes. How do you make up your mind when every option is potentially flawed? Or worse, if you love every option. I was watching this show on Netflix recently called The Good Place, and there's this one character named Chidi Anagonye who is ridiculously indecisive. He could take hours just to choose what flavor of frozen yogurt he wants. Now, my indecisiveness is nowhere as extreme, but his character still felt like a personal attack. Chidi's indecisiveness was making him struggle through life. And now I have to make one of the most important decisions of my life, and my indecisiveness is also affecting my life. I go to college next year. College applications start about now and go on for the next few months, but I still don't know what I want to study. I've bounced around considering various options, but I just can't make up my mind. My parents have been after me for months hoping that I'd finally decide. But here's the thing. This is what my mind's like when I'm trying to make a decision. Now, I don't make impulsive choices. I like to take in information, assess the outcome, and then decide. So that's what I do. I take in information. But this information never seems to be enough to come to an informed decision. So I take in more, and more, and more. Suddenly, I'm drowning in all the information I've taken in, and guess what? Not only have I still not made up my mind, but I'm also panicking. I've tried various ways of making my decision-making process easier. I've tried a SWOT analysis for the different majors I'm considering. I've looked up the information online, see if the course material would help me make up my mind. So basically, taking information and probably doing myself more harm than good. I've even resorted to watching YouTube videos like, how do you know what major is right for you? Are you making the right decision? Absurd, I know. But at this point, I'm willing to try anything. Now, I can't tell you how to get out of this unfortunate pit that I'm stuck in, but I can tell you this. Being indecisive isn't a complete disadvantage. In fact, I found that my tendency to take in information and carefully ponder on it before making a decision has kept me out of situations I would later come to regret. And for the regrets I do have, I know I made the best decision I could at the time. So if you are indecisive, no, it's not a complete bad thing. Now to end this, I'll give you a small example of my indecisiveness. I still haven't decided how to end this. Thank you.